UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak joined the UK Home Office enforcement officials on a raid as part of a nationwide crackdown on illegal migration, which ended in the arrest of 105 foreign nationals from across 20 nationalities. Earlier this week, the 43-year-old, dressed in a bulletproof vest, attended one of the actions in Brent in North London to observe immigration enforcement officers at work as part of their day of action. The British Indian leader has made cracking down on illegal migration one of his government's top priorities ahead of a general election expected next year. UK Home Secretary Suella Braverman said, and I quote, "Illegal working harms our communities, cheats honest workers out of employment and defrauds the public purse as no taxes are paid." During the operation, which took place across the UK on Thursday, immigration enforcement officers arrested 105 foreign nationals found working without the right to do so during 159 raids on suspected illegal work establishments. The arrests took place at commercial premises including restaurants, car washes, nail bars, barber shops, and convenience stores. Suspected were arrested for offences including illegal working and possession of false documentation, with sums of cash also seized at some locations. Of those arrested, over 40 were detained by the Home Office pending their removal from the UK, with the remaining suspects being released on immigration bail. The Home Office said that it is also expected that a number of the arrests will result in a voluntary departure from the UK, while offenders of over 20 different nationalities were found to be working without proper visa rights to be in the UK. The countries involved have not been identified. The Home Office said that the operation builds on the ongoing work by immigration enforcement officers to control illegal working, which is an important part of the government's approach to stopping the boats across the English Channel illegally. Officials added that the operation is aimed at tackling illegal migration by breaking the business model of criminal gangs who use the offer of black market jobs as one way to draw people to the UK illegally. In the first quarter of 2023, immigration enforcement teams claimed that they delivered 1,303 enforcement visits, a 57% increase on the same period last year. And since Sunak set out his plan in December last year to stop the boats crossing illegally into the UK, arrests are said to have doubled compared to the same period last year.